I am Dr. Jessijan, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are discussing anatomy of abdominal cavity, and we will discuss the subheadings like abdominal plane and quadrants also. So we will start from this the general features of the abdominal cavity, like boundaries. The abdomen is defined as part of trunk that lies between the diaphragm above and pelvic inlet below. The boundaries of abdominal cavity are as follows. Roof. It is formed by the diaphragm, which also forms the upper part of the lateral and posterior wall. Anterior wall is formed by three pairs of the flat muscle, that is external oblique, internal oblique, and transversus abdominis, and their aponeurosis, and a pair of vertical muscles, rectus abdominis. The vertical muscle lies in anterior medial region, one on each side of the anterior midline, and are enclosed in the aponeurosis of flat muscles. Lateral wall. The upper part of each lateral wall between the ribs and the iliac crest is formed by three flat muscles. The lower part of the each lateral wall is formed by the ilium of the hip bone, covered internally by the iliacus muscle. Posterior wall. It is formed by the vertebral column muscles attached to it, psoas major and quadratus lumborum, and thoracolumbar fascia. Below this, it is formed by the posterior part of the ilium and iliacus muscles covering it. Floor. It is absent inferiorly as the abdominal cavity communicate with the pelvic cavity at the pelvic brim. The abdomen and pelvic cavities are lined by thin serous membrane that is called peritoneum. And from the diaphragm to the pelvis. This is all the abdominal cavity. You can see here all the viscera are placed in the abdominal cavity. Shape. In transverse section, the abdominal cavity is kidney shaped because the vertebral column protrude into it posteriorly in the midline. Thus, there is a deep paravertebral gutter on each side of the vertebral column. In median section, the abdominal cavity is oblong longitudinally, and its posterior inferior part is continuous with the pelvic cavity. 9 regions of the abdominal cavity, and we discussed here the regions of the abdominal cavity. The abdominal cavity is divided into 9 regions by 4 imaginary planes, that is, 2 vertical and 2 horizontal on the anterior abdominal wall. Superior horizontal plane, it corresponds to transpyloric plane of the addition. It's placed midway between the suprasternal notch and the pubic symphysis. Inferior horizontal plane, it called also intertubercle plane. It is down at the level of the tubercle of the iliac crest, whereas palpable 5 centimeter posterior to the anterior superior iliac spine. The intertubercle plane lies at the level of the upper border of the L5 vertebra. Right and left vertical planes. Each vertical plane passes vertically downward from the midpoint of the clavicle to the midinguinal point, and we can see mid-clavicular plane also. 9 regions marked out are arranged into 3 horizontal zones of the abdomen, upper, middle, and lower. From right to left in upper abdomen, they are designed as right hypochondrium, epigastrium, and left hypochondrium. And middle abdomen, they are designed right lumbar region, umbilical region, left lumbar region. And lower abdomen, the right iliac fossa, hypogastric region, and left iliac fossa. So we can see here these are 9 regions of the abdomen. And we can divide the abdominal cavity in quadrant also. So how can we divide it in quadrants? So, four quadrants of the abdominal cavity uh, divided by the horizontal transumbilical plane passing through the umbilicus and a vertical median plane and intersecting the horizontal plane at the umbilicus. So these planes intersecting each other and divide the abdominal cavity into four big and large quadrants, and these quadrants are named as right upper quadrant, left upper quadrant, right lower quadrant, left lower quadrant. And this is your assignment: what are abdominal planes, what are abdominal quadrant, and keep studying and do your assignment. And if you have any query, please write it down and I will resolve very soon.